we start new exercise, that is 9F. In this exercise we are going to find square root of complex number. Okay, today I will give you the first introduction of the square root of complex number, how to get the square root of complex number step by step. After that we will follow the same step to get the square root of a sum. That is exercise question number 1, some questions 2. Okay, first I will give you the step procedure to how to get the square root of complex number. Okay, let me start today's session. Consider, suppose z equals to x plus y. Okay, x plus y. Then square root this is step to find the square root. Okay. Square root of z equals to under root z. Okay, or x plus y, this is the value of z, equals to a plus ib. Okay, first step, consider your equations, the square root of your equation equals to a plus ib. Okay, now then do the squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, this is number 1. Second, do the squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, that means it's after doing the square, this needs to remove the square root. Okay, squaring both sides, x plus y equals to a plus ib square. Then use the a plus b whole square formula. Now this is x plus yi equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2abi, I is there. Okay, then I square means minus 1. Okay, separate this square, this is square for I as well as for b. Then I square is minus 1. X plus yi equals to a square minus b square. Got it? Then plus 2abi. Now from here, first consider the square root complex number under root z, or under root complex number equals to a plus ib. Then do the squaring both sides. After doing the square both sides, you will get the equations. From this equation, okay, from these equations, separate real and imaginary, comparing left hand side as well as right hand side. Okay. Equating real and imaginary parts. That means this is real, this is real. The terms without I, the term without I is real, term with I is imaginary. That means a square minus b square equals to x. A square minus b square equals to x. Okay, we can consider this is equation 1. Then and 2ab except I, leave this I because they are the same coefficient, except I, 2ab equals to 2ab equals to y. Okay, you can consider this is equation. Okay, then next, this is step 3. Okay, then step 4, get the value of a square plus b square by using formula. A square plus b square equals to a square minus b square whole square plus 2 to 4a square b square, or a square plus b square equals to a square minus b square whole square plus 2ab whole square, 2 to the 4, okay, giving whole square. Now, after getting value of this, okay, after getting value of this, whatever value we get, consider this is equations, okay, consider this is equation 3. Then solve this equation 1 and 3. Then number step, solve equation 1 and 3 to get the values of a and b. Okay. After forming the equations, okay, one equation is there. After solving by using this formula, we will get another equation that consider the equation 3, and step 5 solve that equation 1 and 3 to get the value of a and b. After getting value of a and b, number 6, substitute in 1. Substitute in 1 here, in this equation, to write the final answer, okay, to get the final answer. Substitute in step 1. To get square root of given sum. Okay, these are the steps. Now these are the steps to solve to find the square root of complex number. Number 1, we will consider the square root of that complex number equals to a plus bi. Then number 2, we will do the squaring both sides. Number 2, this is number 1. Number 2, we will do the squaring both sides to get the equations. Okay. After getting equation, from there equation step 3, we will separate the real and imaginary part. Okay. And from there we will consider one is equation 1, equation 2. Then we will use the formula. In step 4, we will use the formula to get the value of a square plus b square. Which equation is considered as equation number 3. Then we step 5, we will solve that equations 1, this equation 1, and equation 3 to get the values of a and b. After getting the value of a and b, we will substitute that value. We will substitute the value of a and b. We will substitute the value of a and b in step 1 to get the final answer. Okay. Now we will follow the same method. To get the square root of these equations. Okay. Okay. Now let me write this board because there is no step 2. So with this formula, I think you got the points. What to do in first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth and sixth step to get the final answer. Okay. I use the same procedure to get the square root of complex number. And if the complex number is complex form, okay, the expression is not in simple form. First simplify that expression and convert into standard form like this. Okay. After converting into standard form, go through this procedure to get the answer. Okay. Now we'll follow the same step to get the answer of these questions. Number 1. Consider this square root of this question equals to a plus bi. Okay. Square roots. Square root of minus square root of this minus 8 plus 6i equals to a plus I. This is the first step to consider. Okay. Then do the squaring both sides. Second step, squaring both sides. Square and root get cancel. That means minus 8 plus 6i equals to a plus ib square. Now use the formula of a plus b whole square to get the equation, to get the final expressions. Minus 8 plus 6i equals to a square plus b square due to this minus. Okay, b square plus b square, according to formula it is plus b square, but I is there, I square means minus 1, that's why it is minus b plus 2abi. Okay, just follow this step. Then from here equate the real and imaginary part. From here equate the real and imaginary part. Equating real and imaginary part. That means this is real and this is real. A square minus b square equals to minus 8. You can consider this is equation 1, and this I term is imaginary. That means 2ab equals to 6. Okay. Now we can consider this is equation. Now step 4. Get the value of a square plus b square by using the formula. Okay, a square plus b square. The formula is under root a square minus b square whole square plus 2ab whole square. Now substitute the value of a square minus b square here and 2ab here to get the value for a square plus b square. Now a square plus b square equals to a square minus b square is almost minus 8. Square of minus 8 is 64 plus square of 6. 2ab is almost 6. Square of 6 is 36. Okay, 64 plus 36 is almost 64 plus 36 is 100. Square root of 100 is a square plus b square equals to square root of 100 is 10. Okay, I am skipping this step because there is no space. Okay, you got the point. The sum of these two is 100 and square root of 100 is 10. Now this is equation 3. Now solve this equation 1 and 3 to get the value of a and b. Okay, now let me write this equation together here. A square minus b square equals to minus 8. This is equation 1. Then a square plus b square. A square plus b square equals to 10. This is equation 2. Now, by simply adding, because this coefficient are same, one is minus, another is plus, that means we can simply adding, we can cancel this one. Their sum is 0. A square plus a square is 2a square equals to minus 8 plus 10 is 2. Okay, then 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. That means a square equals to 1, or a equals to plus minus square root of 1. That means a equals to plus minus 1. The value of a is plus minus 1. Now substitute the value of a square in any one equations. Either equation, sorry, this is 3, okay? Either equation 1 or 3 to get the value of b. Okay, I am going to substitute in equation b, okay? Putting a square equals to 1 in equation 2. That means a square value is 1. A square value is 1 plus b square equals to 10. Now take this one towards right to get the value of b. Okay, 10 minus 1 is 9. That means b square equals to 9, or b equals to plus minus under root 9. That means b equals to how much? 3. Square root of 9 is 3, plus 9 is 3. Now we got the value of a and b. We got the value of a and b. Now step 6, substitute this value of a and b in the step 1 to get the square root of given questions. Okay, given expression, that is therefore square root of minus 8 plus 6i equals to, what is there? A plus ib. Okay, a means how much is there? Plus minus 1 plus minus b means 3i. This way we have to find the square root of complex number. Okay, after going through that procedure, just follow that procedure to get the square root of complex number. If the question is complicated form or not in standard form, just simplify that questions by doing rationalizing or LCM or whatever is there. Then after converting simple form like this, then go through that procedure to get the square root of given complex number. Okay, and now we'll meet in next video. Till there, take care, stay at home, stay safe, and practice regularly. Thank you for watching.